name is Alex Ortiz. I am the STEM teacher for 5th grade at GA Chapter, and I've been here for 3 years.
And my name is Anna Kittredge. I am the 3rd through 5th grade lab teacher, and this is my 2nd year at GA Chapter.
Earlier in the year, Anna and I were asked to kind of switch roles. So I came from the lab and I entered into the STEM classroom, and to be honest, I was a little nervous about it, but I did it anyway, and by the end of the day, I really fell in love with this new role I had. Things were different, but in a good way. I believe being here in the STEM world, I got to focus on my math and science side, which I like to do. I enjoy talking to them about what I learned outside of work, bringing it in here, and trying to tie that little story to the lesson for the day. I kind of prided myself for taking on the challenge, even though it wasn't something that I was very comfortable with at the beginning.
At the start of my first day in the lab, I didn't really know what to expect. That first day, my mind was just going all different directions just to see like what we could change, what we could keep, and what we could improve. And then by the end of the day, I felt like I had something that I was passionate for. So I feel like being in my new role as the lab teacher, I'm able to really make sure that the rotations are going smoothly so that our scholars are able to attend their small groups and learn as best as they can. Also, another huge part of the lab is data collection. We look at interim assessments, weekly assessment data, and that's how we're able to group our students. So it's fun for me to actually look at all the data for 3rd graders, 4th and 5th graders, and group them accordingly. Working at Grimway has helped me develop as a professional and as an educator because they've provided me with tools and the professional development necessary in order to grow. It's actually one of the reasons why I decided to move to Grimway and start teaching here was because I heard of all the opportunities that they provided their teachers, and I was at a place in my career where I wanted that growth and I wanted that challenge. So that's exactly why I came, and that's what I've received as a challenge, and that leads to growth.
I think what's special about GA is the culture that we are creating here in Chapter. There's a lot of parent involvement. There are a lot of relationships being built between parent, teacher, and student. And I like the idea of us kind of being a team, all with the same goal in mind, is to create a better, brighter future for us and the next generation.